What is up guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So today I'm gonna show you how to color and wiggle rotation in Adobe Premiere Pro or Sony Vegas Pro. So that's so easy. I use Sony Vegas because my Adobe Premiere will not work as a Fire plugin, so that's why I use the Vegas Pro. So first all you want a Magic Bullet Looks plugin and Sapphire plugin for color grading and wiggle rotation, then make a adjustment layer. Now trim it to video ends. Now search for Looks. Scroll down, then drag and drop Looks effect. Press on Edit box. Now download the file from description. Follow what I am doing, press on Looks, then let's go to the next part. Now copy the file, then follow where I am going. Now select Easily Preset. Press on Finished and color grading are done. Now let's get into the wiggle rotation. Now let's jet into the next part, which is wiggle rotation. Now search for S_blur Mo curves. Follow what I am doing exact.
Set to reflect then. Press on clock button, then follow what I am doing exactly. Now give a 2 to 3 seconds space. Then set rotation to 8. Now again give a 2 to 3 seconds space. Then set rotation -8. Give spaces and add the keyframes like I told you then. Now add a last keyframe where ends our video, then set rotation to 0. Now the last step is that to follow what I am doing if you are an Adobe Premiere user, so do ease in. Right click on first keyframe, then set to smooth. Now set all rotation 8 to 8 keyframes to fast. If you're thinking that it's so fast, so delete some keyframes and give a lot of space behind keyframes. I reduces a keyframes because my clip is short if a clip is long, so increase a keyframes. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If this video helped a lot, so give a thumb up and subscribe now channel for more these types of video. Signing off, bye bye.
Hold up.